Hello all, we are going to learn the program 14, that is a program to demonstrate basic operations on single array. Right, sir, the question is here. Now I will start with the solution. Import numpy as np, which we know arr1 dot arr1 is equals to np dot array of some values, sir. 5 comma 8 comma 4 comma 6 comma 5 comma 5 comma 8 comma 4 comma 6 comma 9 comma 2 comma 7. Right? These are the values which we have taken here. Now I will be taking arr2 is equals to np dot array of the second array which I am creating 12 comma 15 comma 18 comma 11. These are the two arrays which we have created. So print of original array 1. So print of array 1. The same I will copy, sir, here. Copy, right? Paste here original array to the two arrays which we had defined. I am going to print the both. Right? File, save, sir. It will be saving the notebook. To run module. So it is showing somewhere the error. Sorry, sir. I have taken arr1 and arr2. I am printing array full name. Sorry. Okay. Here it is arr2. Now to rerun. So mistakes also the lessons for us. Right? Original array we got printed. Now printing of the thing is called print of shape of array 1 is. I want to print the shape of the array. arr1 dot shape of the array I want to print, sir. That is arr1 dot shape. So the shape will be printed for array 1. If we want, we can go for the same to be implemented for array 2. Instead of 1, I can write 2 here, sir. Okay. So this is to print shape of the array. Suppose I would like to print indexing in array. I write value at index 3 in array 1 is, right? I will say arr1 of 3. This is called indexing, sir. Done. Then if I want to print the slicing, okay, slicing logic is here. Slicing is comma arr1 of 3 to 6, I will say. So 4th, 5th, 6th element it has to print, sir. Then arr1, how many elements we have, sir? 1, 2, 3. We cannot make as 3 plus 4, 7 elements are there. We cannot reshape the array 1, but we can reshape the array 2. Then print of reshaping array 2. So I am going to reshape the array arr2 dot reshape, then 2 comma 2. Okay, so array 2 I want to reshape. Okay, then I want to concatenate this array, then concatenation is making comma np dot concatenate of arr1 comma arr2. Okay, concatenate function returns the type called array. I have to make this with square brackets, otherwise it won't work. Okay, so if we want to check this output running all, so now you are able to say the output of this program here. Right, show output is here. Okay, clear for you all? This is original array 1, this is original array 2, shape of the array 1 is 7 elements, shape of the array 2 is 4 elements in first row, value at index 3 is 6, here 4th element, right? Then slicing is 6, 9 2, that is slicing of 3 to 6, third element, fourth element, fifth element got printed. Reshaping of the array 2 is, it is one dimensional array, it will becomes two-dimensional array. If you want to, we can print the dimensions of that array also, right? Here after reshaping, then if I add a print shape of array 2 is, then arr2 dot shape, right? And then number of dimensions, runs up, right? After reshaping, shape of array 2 is, number of dimensions are 1. Okay, only for this line it will be reshaped. Okay, just you have been done for that line, remaining it is all same, right? That's all in this program. Thank you.